Hello everybody! It is time to get Christmas lights going. I've got my replacement bulbs, some of them over here, the miniature ones. Some reflectors. I've got a C6 strand on the bench right now going over it. I got these bulbs in, didn't realize they were twinkle bulbs, so that's even more awesome. All the ones with this smoother texture twinkle, and then the ones that look more like lighted ice are steady burning. This is a custom set of 12 bulbs. I'm just determining that if it's bright enough to make lights bubble, and indeed it is. So I can't be in a series set, can't have too many twinkle bulbs. You can see it really pulling the current down, and then when the bulbs go off it goes bright. But I think this will be kind of a mid-level strand in the tree. I've got some clips for it, so that's no problem. And then I've showed these bulbs before. Haven't shown these, we'll go into those. Here's my latest batch of these kind of bulbs, these C7 bulbs, my favorite type. Then I've got some C9s to go over, so I've got them all lined up. Need to go over them and tell about them and get them put away so I don't waste any precious real estate on this little workbench. So hopefully this is going to be a nice decorating year and everything's going to work pretty well. I've got a bunch of stuff here to test. Some of the stuff's got to go in the house to get it out of the way. And here are more spare bulbs here. And then the window candeliers. So that's going in. These three are going in, and then here's more spare bulbs, and then C6 strands to check out, and then more spare bulbs over here, and even more spare bulbs. I've got my bubble lights in there, give those a test, and then lighted bells over here, and these replacement twinkling lights. Gonna have a few more of those in the miniature strand this year, so a lot to look forward. Just wanted to say that Christmas light testing is underway. More to come. Thank you for watching.